In this video, we're diving into an exciting culinary development that's making waves in the Philippines. World-renowned chef Gordon Ramsay has recently opened his first restaurant in Manila, the Gordon Ramsay Bar and Grill at Newport World Resorts. This establishment offers a curated menu featuring signature dishes like the beef Wellington and an eclectic wine list. The restaurant's ambiance combines elegance with a relaxed bar and steakhouse vibe, making it a must-visit spot for food lovers. Let's explore this luxurious dining destination and discover what makes it a standout in Manila's vibrant culinary scene. Gordon Ramsay, the celebrated multi-Michelin-starred chef, has recently turned his attention to the Philippines, expressing profound admiration for its culinary heritage and vibrant food scene. During his inaugural visit to the country in January 2025, Ramsay shared his enthusiasm for Filipino cuisine, describing it as the sleeping beauty of Asia, poised to captivate the global palate. Ramsay's fascination with Filipino food stems from its rich tapestry of flavors and regional diversity. He highlighted the harmonious blend of sourness, umami, richness, spice, and sweetness that characterizes the nation's dishes. In an exclusive interview, he recounted a memorable dining experience at Sarai, a Filipino restaurant in Melbourne, where he savored sisig tacos, crafted by a talented young Filipino chef. This encounter reinforced his belief in the global potential of Filipino cuisine. Gordon Ramsay's interest in the Philippines is driven by his admiration for the country's rich culinary heritage and the potential he sees in Filipino cuisine. He has expressed a desire to immerse himself in the local food culture, stating his intention to study Filipino cuisine and acknowledging the talent of Filipino chefs. Ramsay believes that the Philippines has the potential to kick Southeast Asia's ass in the culinary scene, highlighting his confidence in the country's gastronomic prowess. Philstar.com. Additionally, Ramsay's enthusiasm is evident from his personal experiences in the country. During his visit to Manila in January 2025, he shared his excitement on social media, stating, "Philippines, I love you. I've had such an incredible time in Manila to open Gordon Ramsay Bar and Grill PH. Can't wait to come back." This positive experience has further solidified his interest in expanding his culinary ventures in the Philippines. Beyond his culinary appreciation, Ramsay has committed to investing in the Philippines' gastronomic landscape. Following the successful launch of the Gordon Ramsay Bar and Grill at Newport World Resorts in August, he announced plans to open 3 additional restaurants in Manila. These ventures aim to elevate the local dining scene and introduce concepts like Hell's Kitchen to Filipino food enthusiasts. As his engagement with the Philippines extends to nurturing local talent, he has offered guidance to aspiring Filipino chefs, emphasizing the importance of embracing challenges and continuous learning. "Get comfortable being uncomfortable," he advised, encouraging young culinarians to immerse themselves in diverse cultures and culinary traditions to enrich their craft. The chef's admiration also encompasses Filipino desserts, with a particular fondness for halo halo. He drew parallels between this beloved treat and the rice pudding of his childhood, expressing a deep appreciation for the country's sweet delicacies. This personal connection underscores his genuine affection for Filipino culinary traditions. Ramsay's initiatives are poised to significantly impact the Philippine culinary industry. His presence is expected to raise the bar for fine dining, inspire local chefs to innovate, and attract international attention to the nation's food tourism. By acknowledging the country's rich culinary heritage, Ramsay contributes to positioning the Philippines as a formidable player in the global food scene. Despite referring to Filipino cuisine as the sleeping beauty of Asia, Ramsay is confident in its burgeoning prominence. He noted the increasing number of Filipino restaurants and chefs gaining recognition in major cities worldwide, affirming that Filipino cuisine is here to stay for a long time. This optimistic outlook reflects his belief in the enduring appeal and potential of the Philippines' culinary offerings. Gordon Ramsay's enthusiastic engagement with the Philippines transcends mere professional interest. It reflects a deep-seated respect and passion for the country's culinary arts. Through his investments, mentorship, and advocacy, he plays a pivotal role in amplifying Filipino cuisine on the world stage, inviting food lovers everywhere to discover and celebrate the rich flavors of the Philippines. How successful is he as a person and a family man? Gordon Ramsay has achieved remarkable success in his culinary career, establishing himself as a prominent figure in the global gastronomic scene. He has been awarded a total of 17 Michelin stars throughout his career and currently holds 7. His restaurant empire spans multiple continents, with establishments in cities such as Singapore, the United States, and various locations across Europe. In 2006, Ramsay was honored with an Order of the British Empire, OBE, by Queen Elizabeth II for his contributions to the hospitality industry. Beyond his restaurants, he has become a television personality, authoring several cookbooks and hosting popular cooking shows that have garnered international acclaim. In his personal life, Ramsay has been married to Tana Ramsay since 1996, and together they have 6 children: Megan, twins Jack and Holly, Matilda, known as Tilly, Oscar, and Jesse, born in 2023. Despite his demanding career, Ramsay places significant emphasis on family time. The Ramsay family often shares moments together, such as celebrating holidays and special occasions, reflecting a close-knit family dynamic. Tana, a Montessori-trained school teacher, has been a supportive partner throughout their marriage, contributing to the family's stability and cohesion. Balancing a high-profile career with family life, Ramsay has managed to maintain strong familial relationships while expanding his professional endeavors. His children have pursued diverse paths. Megan has worked with the Metropolitan Police, Jack serves as a Royal Marines commando, Holly is a fashion designer and blogger, and Tilly has followed in her father's footsteps, becoming a television chef and presenter. The Ramsay family's ability to support each other's individual pursuits while maintaining unity is a testament to the successful balance Gordon Ramsay has achieved between his professional and personal life. From its exquisite menu to its elegant yet relaxed ambience, it's clear that this establishment is set to elevate the Philippine dining scene. Whether you're indulging in the signature beef Wellington or savoring the fish and chips made with pink Pacific grouper, each dish promises a delightful experience. Have you had the chance to dine here? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incoming videos. Thanks for watching.